As I explained in the last movie, listeners are like a radio. They listen for certain things to happen. So if I want something to respond to a mouse click, then I need to have it listen for a mouse click. In this movie, what we're going to do is add an event listener to our border. It has the instance name of border_MC. Now I'm going to go up to the actions frame. And by the way, if you're following along, I'm in listeners.fla, which can be found in the Chapter 4 exercise folder. So let's select the first keyframe of the actions layer and open up the actions panel. In order to add an event listener, I need to type first the object that's going to be listening for the event. Now, if I want to click on the border and have him do something, then he's going to be listening for the event. So I'm going to type border_MC and then a dot. And now what we're going to do here is basically attach an event to the border. Now I'm going to type add, all lowercase, capital E, and that will be for add event listener, and L is capitalized as well. If it's highlighted in the code hinting area, you can just press enter on your keyboard, and that will write out add event listener and create an open parenthesis for you. If you look in the code hinting area, Flash will kind of tell you what it expects you to type in. So now the first thing we want to type in when we have an add event listener and an open parenthesis is the type of event that's being listened for. A mouse click is called a mouse event. So that's the general type of event. So I'm going to type mouse with a capital N, and then event with a capital E, no spaces there. It should turn blue, and then type a dot. And then you should get code hinting that pops up. And now we're telling Flash what mouse event we are listening for. So I'm going to type a capital C, and then click should be highlighted, and I can just press enter or return on my keyboard. So this is how we say we're looking for a mouse click. Mouse event is the event category. And then when I type a dot, then it's the specific event inside of that category. And those specific events have capital letters, all caps. So our border is listening for a click, and then type a comma, and then a space. And then after that, what we're going to do is specify a function that's going to run when you click on the border. I'm going to call my function on, both lowercase, and then click with a capital C. Then I'm going to type a close parenthesis and a semicolon to end the statement. And so that is how you add an event listener to an object. You type the object name, .add event listener, then you specify the event type, then a dot, and the name of the event, it's all uppercase letters, then a comma, then the function that runs when the event happens. In the next movie, we'll write the function that will execute when you click on the border.